Click on the link below to get price. The ANCHER Gladiator / Sunshine 26 electric bike for adults is an impressive offering in the growing e-bike market. With its powerful 750W peak motor, it delivers a thrilling ride, reaching speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, which can be quite exhilarating for both commuting and recreational purposes. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its robust construction. The aluminum alloy frame is not only lightweight but also provides excellent durability, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The 26 wheels offer a stable ride, helping to navigate various terrains with ease, from city streets to more rugged paths. The battery life is commendable, with a removable 36V10 lithium-ion battery that can provide a range of about 30 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assist used. Charging is straightforward, taking around 4 to 6 hours, which is quite convenient for daily commuters. The bike also features a pedal assist system that allows riders to choose the level of assistance they want, making it suitable for both casual riders and those who prefer a more intense workout. The ANCHER Gladiator / Sunshine is also equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power that is crucial for safety, especially at higher speeds. The bike's ergonomic design, complete with a comfortable saddle and adjustable seat height, enhances the riding experience, allowing for long journeys without discomfort. However, it's important to note that assembly can be a bit challenging for some users, so having a friend or professional help might be beneficial. Additionally, the bike's weight can be a factor if you need to lift or transport it frequently. Overall, the ANCHER Gladiator / Sunshine 26 electric bike is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable yet powerful electric bike that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and versatility. Its features make it a strong contender in its category, appealing to both novice and experienced cyclists alike.